In this video, I'm gonna be ordering 3 different covers at 3 different price points for the exact same book to show you guys which one turns out to be the best. What is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Dane, and on this channel I talk all about self-publishing books through Amazon, online entrepreneurship, and just lifestyle in general. So if that kind of thing interests you, make sure you subscribe, drop a like on the video, and hit the notification bell so you know when I post new videos. In today's video, you saw what I said in the intro. I'm ordering 3 different book covers for the exact same book. And all of these book covers are going to come in at different price points so we can compare, contrast them, and see which one turns out to be my favorite at the end for the book. Now, for this video, I've partnered with a very reputable, very popular online website for getting covers created called Get Covers. And in this video, I'm comparing their 3 different price points. They have a $10 price point, a $20 price point, and a $35 price point. So there's different tiers when it comes to ordering book covers through their website, and they also offer a few other things. So without further ado, let's jump into my computer. I'm gonna show you guys around their website, and then we'll get into ordering the covers, and I'll show you what that process consists of, and then we'll compare and contrast the results at the end. Let's do this. So we're on getcovers.com here, and as you guys can see, it's all about book covers, but they do offer a few different things. So obviously top left here, you can see they offer book covers, Kindle Vella covers, audiobook covers, logo design, which is a very good offer for them as well, because if you're an author, you're most likely going to have a logo that you want on your books. Marketing materials, which I'll show you guys in just a little bit, some design help, and also movie posters. So very interesting things coming from Get Covers. Now, this website and this business has been around for a while now, and I've only heard great things about them. And if you check out their Trustpilot, you can see they have over 1,600 different reviews and an overall rating of 4.9 stars out of 5. So, I mean, tons and tons of amazing reviews for getcovers.com. And from what I've heard, it's only ever been good experiences from people in my program, as people in my network. The main point of this video is book covers. So let's get into the book cover ordering process when it comes to utilizing Get Covers for your cover design. So I'm on the book cover part of their website here. As you can see, why Get Covers? They have an unlimited number of free revisions. So if you go on somewhere like Fiverr or something, it's usually a capped out number of revisions at like 4 or 5, sometimes 10. These guys offer unlimited, so you can keep going back and forth until you're 100% satisfied with the cover that you receive. Transparent pricing, there's no hidden fees or anything like that. In-house designers, so they're not just like shipping this out somewhere to Fiverr or something. They have in-house designers. 100% money back guarantee if you're not happy. And one of the best parts is they use licensed images and fonts. So you know, and you have the peace of mind that the designer, when they deliver your cover, everything that's on it is yours and it's not going to get copyright striked on Amazon. So let's go down to the packages here. All right. So as you guys can see, there's a basic package, standard, and a premium package. Okay. And the basic comes in around $10. Standard is $20 and premium is $35. So the main differences between the 3 packages here are going to be with the basic package, you're just getting an ebook cover and that is it. $20 standard package, you're going to get a print ready cover. So ebook and print ready cover design. So you're getting the ebook and the paperback cover basically. And then for premium, you're getting a premium cover design and you're also getting the ebook and the print cover with that one. Okay. As we scroll down here, you can see they all have the 100% money back guarantee. The back and spine, obviously with the $10 one, you're not getting that, but with the $20 and the $35 plans, you are getting that because that comes along with the print ready cover. Source file only comes with premium. So if you're someone who wants to make tiny little adjustments to your cover as the lifespan of the book goes on, or you just receive it and you're like, I want to make this change myself, the only one that's going to let you do that is the premium package where you actually get the design file, source file. All of them come with unlimited revisions. All of them have a 3D mockup, which is pretty sweet. So if you're using it for like A+ content or something, you get a nice 3D mockup. With the basic plan, you're only getting 1 licensed image. The standard plan, you're getting 2, and then premium, you're getting 3 to 5. So a lot more room for creativity when it comes to the premium compared to the basic. And finally, the license file. So you're also getting the licensing on the images and the text that they're using on the covers. So that is all good and great. Delivery time is all about the same. Premium takes 1 more extra day, but you can always upgrade to a 1-day delivery for an extra $10 on all 3 of the plans. And finally, you can also add on a marketing material bundle. So what is this? Before I get into the actual cover design here, marketing materials on Get Covers include things like A+ content, social media or website banner, ad images, cover reveal image, okay, tons of different things, bookmarks even, box set design, custom 3D mockup. So if you wanted to add on any of this kind of marketing material, you can go down here, you can click yes, and you can see how the price reflects that, okay? $50, $60, $75 total. So for the sake of this video, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna order the 3 different covers. So give me a second here. I'm gonna go through the process of ordering all 3 of these options. And then once I do that, I'll show you guys what it looks like on the back end when you have to supply the designer with your information for your book cover. So give me 2 seconds. Okay, so I've placed all 3 of my orders on Get Covers for the different 3 packages. So as you guys can see on screen here, when you order your stuff through Get Covered, it's gonna bring you to a client portal area where you can kind of have a broad overview of all the stuff you've ordered through the website. So you can see my recent orders are showing up here. I have one of the $10 one, the $20 one, and the $35 one. And I've also submitted the information that the cover designers are going to use in order to design my covers. Now I'll go over that information in just a second. But as you guys can see, it just gives you a broad overview in the back end of the client portal. So you can see the open orders, completed orders, and active subscriptions if you have any subscriptions to anything through Get Covers. So what I want to show you guys is kind of the information that I submitted for my 3 different covers because they do differentiate between the different orders. You can see this one right here is the ebook cover, my service that I ordered. And this is kind of the overview page of the order status. So you can see it's submitted right now. It's waiting for a cover designer to come and pick this up and start on the design process. So for this one, I have a made up book that I might actually go ahead and do maybe in the future. But right now, this is kind of the title that I've had and the kind of broad overview of what I'd like to see from it. So you can see the questions that they asked for the ebook version, which is the $10 option. So book title, I put Discipline Pays Dividends. Book subtitle, How to Turn Self-Control and Saying No into Freedom. And then author name is my name. Genre, self-help. It also asks you, will this book continue as a series? I put no. And then they also ask you to link to the image or image ID. So in the back end, when you do go through this order process, it's going to link you to 2 different options. There's a depositphotos.com or shutterstock.com. So what you can do, since I ordered the ebook cover, I can choose one image from that website, either of those websites, and then link it here in the order submission for the cover designer to reference and utilize on the cover design. For this particular one, I'm just going to say I would prefer to leave this as creative freedom for the designer so they can go ahead and pick whatever image they want. But if you're someone who wants to be very specific and that you want to use a certain image from one of those websites, you can do that and then link them to it on the order form. And it says, let us know if you have any copyrights for the files. So they also let you upload different files when you're doing the submission process. So if you have different pictures or images or text files or whatever you want to use for the cover, you can link them and upload them into the order submission. But they want to make sure that you have the copyright file for those files before you go ahead and use them for the cover. And it's also going to ask you, what would you like to see on the cover? So this is your chance to kind of give your designer a piece of your mind and let them know exactly what you want to see, colors, different designs, or how you want it to be formatted. And then I linked them to the Amazon page where a bunch of other self-discipline books rank, just so the cover designer has an idea for what not to do and not to copy all the other covers so that when mine goes live, it actually stands out from the competition. And finally, I said I'd also like for it to be bright colors with a very minimalistic design that is clean and represents a clean and clear mind. It would be very creative if you incorporated the freedom part of the subtitle into the design of this cover in some way. And thanks. And then the last thing they ask you is please let us know if we can share this cover design on Facebook to promote our services. I just put yes. You can also put no if you don't want them to do that. So those are the questions that you need to answer for the ebook one, which is just the $10 cover option. So now I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when you fill in the information for the print ready or the premium. So as you guys can see, I'm inside of the print ready service here, which is the $20 option. The premium one also asks the identical questions, but you can see there's a couple extra questions in here that go on top of the ones they asked just for the ebook, so the $10 plan. So you can see with the print ready one, it's going to ask me again for my title, my book title or subtitle, author name, the genre, I put self-help. It's also going to ask me for book format, trim size, number of pages, and paper color. And this is because they're creating a paperback cover on top of just the ebook one. So the ebook one obviously is just a square file size, but the print ready one, they also need to make a paperback or a hardback cover for Amazon to print if you're doing things through Amazon. So I put paperback as the format, 6x9, 150 pages, and cream colored paper. And then below that publishing platform, I put KDP and then back cover text. So I also included a bit of a book description for them to put onto the back cover. So I put a little blurb here. I don't need to read through it. You guys can pause to read it if you want to check that out, but it's just basically a description for the book. Then they ask again, will this book be part of a series? I put no, link to the image. So same thing I talked about in the first part. And then they also have an area for you to put your extra details. So same details I provided for the ebook one. And finally, again, if they can share it, I put yes. You can also put no. And then I clicked on submit, and now I am currently in the process of waiting for the designer to come in and start designing the book. So if I go back to my main dashboard here, you'll see all 3 of these orders are currently in the submitted status. I need to wait about 4 days now for these covers to be designed. And once those covers are designed, I'm gonna come back here on camera, which is gonna be instant because you guys don't need to wait. I'm gonna film this beforehand. And in the next 4 days, I'll come back, I'll view my covers, and we can take a look at them together, okay? So I'll see you guys in 4 days. Peace. Okay guys, it is now 4 days later and the book covers from Get Covers have been delivered. So I'm excited to take a look at them with you guys and basically go through the differences between each level of cover that I ordered. So as you guys can see, we're in the client portal and you can see my 3 orders here. They now say delivered over here under the status bar. So the first one that we're gonna open up down here is the basic ebook cover. This is the $10 plan. So I have it open up here. Let's take a look. So when Get Covers delivers you your offer or your cover that you ordered through their website, they're gonna give you a Dropbox link and it's gonna have both the versions for you. So they also offer a mock-up version of the cover on a, I guess that's a hardback cover, but we're gonna open up just the file here. So as you can see, they give you a JPEG file for the main cover, and this is the $10 cover. And to be honest with you guys, this is a pretty nice looking cover. I do like how bright the colors are. They all blend really nicely, white, black, and yellow. You can't really go wrong with. And you can see they have the main title here, Discipline Pays Dividends, and then kind of a chart going up, and then they have my subtitle and the author name. So a couple things I might change about this. I don't love that discipline is like, I guess vertical. It kind of makes it hard to read, and that's kind of the whole main point of the book. So I would have liked that to be a little bit more, you know, easier to read, and maybe the subtitle could have gone here. But overall, pretty clean cover for $10. You can't really go wrong. This is an excellent cover that they delivered here. And to be honest, it's a lot better than what I'm used to seeing when it comes through ordering through other sites like Fiverr or even on Upwork. Like for $10, direct service right through their website, amazing. Honestly, amazing. So that is the $10 cover. Let's go ahead and take a look at the $20 cover, which is the mid-range price. So here we have the mid-range cover, which is the print-ready cover. So you can see you get a few more things in here because we ordered it for a paperback and an ebook. So they give you the ebook file on the left here, and then these 2 in the middle are for the paperback. There's a picture, JPEG, and there's a PDF version. So when you upload it to Amazon, you can use the PDF version and use it for your paperback. Between the 2, this value of this order is so good. It's so good. So let's click in and let's have a look at just the ebook version for now. So I do like this one more than the first one personally, just because of the simplicity that it has. It's kind of like a paper looking texture. I like that there's a texture to it. It's not just like a flat white. So that's really cool. And I like that they've got this kind of like sticky note and then this page ripping and it says freedom. That's awesome. Honestly, this is a pretty nice cover in my opinion. I like how simple it is. I like how bold the text is. I might ask for a bit more of a bold text, like more weight to this title text, just so it's a bit thicker. But in all honesty, I do like it quite a bit. And then this subtitle, I'd probably change that to black just to see. Same with the author name. Orange on white's a little harder to see if you start to zoom out. Overall, though, I do like it quite a bit. So let's have a look at the paperback version that they delivered as well. So you can see with this one, it's got a spine on it. You can see Discipline Pays Dividends. They put my name, and then they put the book description on the back with a simple back cover design. So this is the back of the book, if you can imagine it, and this is the front, obviously. So they put my little blurb, all that good stuff. So yeah, I love the simplicity of this cover. I think they did a really good job with the colors and everything, and I love the texturization of the background. So definitely 2 thumbs up for this one. Finally, we're gonna go into cover number 3 here, which is the $35 option. This is the premium book cover. So you get 3 different files. You also get the source file for this one. You can see it's a Photoshop file. So if I wanted to go in and edit some of the things around, edit the text myself, I could do that, which is kind of cool when it comes to ordering the premium one. And they also obviously give you the paperback in PDF and JPEG format. But let's take a look at the ebook one, and gonna be honest with you guys, this is probably my favorite one. I'm not just saying that because it's the most expensive one. This is probably my favorite one overall. Blue and yellow always looks good in my opinion. Shout out to Sweden. But my name down there looks good in the white, and I like that they've done a great job with
kind of like it almost makes your eyes go into read the whole title and then go into the subtitle, which I do like. And this kind of doodle looking thing is kind of cool. I don't mind it. Also, it has that texturization on the background. So I do like this cover probably the best overall. It kind of has every piece that I wanted. I might ask for a couple changes. Like one thing I would like to see is maybe the texture on the back being the same as cover number 2 in blue, but have that kind of paper looking color. I did like that. I thought it was kind of cool. Let's have a look at the paperback one here. So they've used like a similar circle thing to this. So that looks good. And they put my description and the spine is here. And yeah, this texturization isn't bad in my opinion, but I do like the way that that paper looked on the print ready one, the $20 option. Other than that, though, this is a great cover. Might actually be one that I would use for my books. So I do like this delivery. And of course, they give me the Photoshop file. Oops, the mock-up. And then they give me the Photoshop file as well. So if I were to download that, all I got to do is click download up here and then take it to my computer and I can edit the fonts, do whatever I want on the cover. So very, very useful and very, very effective. So guys, those are the 3 covers. I'll scroll through them here again quickly. Cover number 1 is the basic cover. This is $10. Cover number 2 was the Discipline-Based Dividends. Obviously, that's the book. But this is the print-ready cover, the mid-range pricing that they offer on their website. And this is the top premium delivery. This is $35 for this cover. And I get a paperback with this one. I also get the source file so I can go into Photoshop and make edits that I want to change around. So guys, please let me know down below, cover number 1, cover number 2, or cover number 3. Which one is your favorite? Please let me know down below. And if you like these deliveries, plus the pricing and just everything about Get Covers, because it's a very seamless operation. Honestly, probably the best way to get a cover right now. If you do like it, I do have a discount code. I'll put it on screen right here, and that'll get you 20% off your cover order through Get Covers, okay? I'll put this code on screen. I'll also put it down below in the description. So if you guys want to use it, you can on getcovers.com, okay? If you guys have any questions about Get Covers, please leave them down below in the comment section. I'll be down there. I'll be answering any of you guys' questions. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed going through the covers with me, getting an idea for how Get Covers works and all that stuff. And like I said, like even though I had a couple changes, they offer revisions. They let me do whatever I want with the covers once I receive them. So they're not satisfied until I'm satisfied, which is a good thing. Because I said, like, I want to change a couple things on here. Once they change those things, I think this will be perfect. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Again, any questions, leave them down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.